Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see the Facebook ad strategy, which we were discussing in the last video. So if you remember, we spoke about the case that we can apply a new strategy wherein we can build out a campaign inside the Facebook ads account, which can have one ad set, which is like a winner ad set, which we create with no ad in it. Then what we are going to do right now is we're going to create a duplicate of that ad set in which we are going to create dynamic creatives and apply a 3-2-2 strategy on it. So let's have a look at this, guys. So once we are inside the account, you can go inside the campaign. And as you can see right now, there is only one ad set, which is the winner ad set, which does not have any ads in it. So we are going to create a duplicate of this. So now the duplicate has been created. We can name it, let's say, DCP1. And in this specifically, what we are going to do is we're going to switch on dynamic creative, which is going to provide creative elements such as images, headlines. Okay, the Facebook algorithm will automatically go ahead and generate various combinations and create these ad creatives for us. We can also specify the budget and schedule when this will start. Okay, we can provide the audiences targeting as well, like location targeting out here, placements, all of these can be provided. So which will be same as the winner ad set, which we had built. Now in this ad set, we are going to create the ad. So the ad which we are going to create, what Facebook suggests is that the ad set should contain at least 3 creatives. So it can be either 3 video creatives or image creatives, which we can have. So now what you can do is we can select the single image video, okay, and we can select images out here, as you can see, okay, and from here we can select our images in this particular manner. Once you add the images, you can also switch on the optimized creative for each person. This will again the Facebook algorithm will target users based on their behavior and the type of ads they will be more relevant to. So now we apply the specific strategy, which is going to be that we have 3 creatives uploaded. Now, along with that, we add 2 primary text and 2 headlines. So here we are going to add 2 primary text in this particular manner. And then we also give 2 headlines. In this particular way. So we have provided the information out here. Okay. Apart from that, if you want, you can absolutely go ahead and choose you can give the website URL also out here. Which can be seen in this particular manner. So now the creative has been created, okay, and we have given the 3 images with 2 headlines and 2 primary text over here. So this becomes our specific DCT1, another creative which we have created. I hope this makes sense so far, able to understand the strategy which we are trying to apply here. So we'll see in the next video how we move forward with this and how we do our testing and to compare and then figure out which are the best winning ads which we have got out of the ads performance. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.